you, performance is affected very much by stress. Stress po actually is our body's way of helping us. Like, it used to be before, stress, it happens when yung mga caveman era, when they see mga animals, di ba? So parang if you're stressed, it's your fight-flight response to really run for your life, to help you be saved. So good siya. Actually, stress can be a good thing, but too much stress will really be too much. Ito po, the meaning of this is, too little stress, minsan naman, if we're so laid back, tinatamad, di ba? Parang performance, ayun o, pag dun sa left side po of the diagram, if you'd see, too little stress, underloaded, tinatamad. Parang ayaw na natin gumawa kasi madali lang yan. So, ang performance hindi rin maganda. Sometimes we really need a bit of that stress. Yung mga crammer, naintindihan yan. Diba? Parang pag di pa deadline, hindi nakakagawa. Pagka 1 to 2 weeks na lang, or bukas na, hala, saka nagpupuyat. Pero, ayun po, actually, wag sobrahan. Ayun, no? Nasa good needle po, wag sobrahan. Wag the night before. Because that will be too late. Burnout ang labas mo niyan. See? If it will be too much stress, overload, nandun na sa very extreme right. And your performance will be lower. Ayun, no? So, dapat tamang stress lang, good needle, para optimal performance. So, yun. You need some stress, but not too much. That's the point. Sige po.